to the shed for the latest updates and rumors concerning everything going on here at the Shed Racer channel. My name's Leon Speed Jr., and this is our pre-race warm-up shakedown Wednesday. And I guess everyone knows this is going to be the last race at this particular track configuration on Friday. If you haven't heard, sure enough, we're going to go ahead and look at turns 1 and 2 and sort of eyeball it down there at 3 and 4. Get the Sawzall out and see if we can't duplicate it. Shed also said we'd be getting a pit road. There was also a rumor about some new porta-johns going in down near the inspection garage. Earlier in the week, we showed you what the track was looking like. If you haven't seen it, go back and look. Well, there wasn't much we're going to be able to do to it this week. So we just told him, go ahead and run some heavy-duty shocks and springs. Maybe take them out of the pickup truck you got out there and run those if you need to. We walked around the track, and even we took Shed's car around. I was hanging out the side window with the camera. We saw there sure enough some big old holes, almost like a ramp going off into turn 3. But again, just knowing it's going to be tore up this weekend after the race, Shed's just not going to want to put a whole lot into it. We'll get started here in just a few minutes and let the stand by. Yeah. I'll be right down there in just a minute. All right. Well, I just got called down to the track, so take a look at this and tell me what you think.
Wow.
Ooh, that hurt.
Shake the loose parts out. Hey, we know a guy. Hey, someone call Leon down. You ready?
Let's move the parts.
Wow.
Well, that's a mandatory trip.
Hey, fellas. What's going on? Oh, yeah. This is the $1 flea market find. We'll fix him up. Maybe the next race. You guys gonna be all right if he ends up going faster than you? Laugh now. Some of you will be laughing out your trunk lid come next race. Now go practice. Some of y'all need it.
Looking for parts, kid?
No, sir. Can I help? I'm pulling. Let me help with the tire. Yeah, we can roll this over. Hey, here's your number. Well, I'll be happy to help anytime.
Well, here's the first 2 cars to start things off. Mark Martin, Dale Earnhardt, number 6, number 3. I was talking to Kirk and Jonathan earlier, and they were saying Dale may be bringing another car to the new track next week. I told him I had a few dollars if he wanted to get rid of that Monte Carlo instead of letting it retire. They're looking good. Here are the next 2. The number 4 of Ernie Irvin and the 94 of Terry Labonte. Here comes the 18 Bobby Labonte and the 75 Dave Marcus car. Here comes Jimmy Means Business and Darrell Walton. Here comes Greg Sampson, Hut Strickland. Whoa, gets a little bit loose on the first lap. Hut didn't have a spoiler on his car, maybe that's why. Seems to be making it up here, though. They're all looking good. They're all looking good. I'm gonna turn this thing down a minute. Wiki in the 7 and the Mickey Gibbs in the 24 come out. Next is Sterling Marlin in the 22 Maxwell House car and the 42 of Kyle Petty. Robert Presley and Alan Kulwicki. Here comes the 21 car and the 30 car of Michael Waltrip.
I like the looks of that Kool-Aid car.
The 18 car and the 42 of Kyle Petty once again. Here comes Hut one more time and the Ray Bestis car number 12 and the 71 of Dave Marcus. Richard Petty and Ricky Rudd. Hey, someone lend that kid a windshield down there. Let that car go out for a couple laps. Kid needs some practice. Just one lap at a time. One lap at a time for that kid. Yeah, that's right. Let the kid go. Looks like that kid down there found a new friend.
It just takes laps. It just takes laps. It just takes laps. Whoa. Slaps is just takes laps. Ugh, bummer.
You'll be alright. Hey, thanks for subscribing. Thanks again for tuning in to the Shed Racer channel. Come back on Friday when we have our last race at this particular race configuration in the shed. Hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss a green flag lap. Share with your friends. And thanks again for watching the Shed Racer channel. See you on Friday.